Hello everyone, welcome back to Nagesh Karazke Orchid School. Students, today we are going to start our new lesson, that is lesson number 3, subtraction of 4-digit numbers. See here, now what is meant by subtraction? First, subtraction means to find out the difference between the two numbers, that is called as subtraction. First of all, we will see the subtraction of 3-digit numbers. To subtract one 3-digit number from another, write the numbers one below the other. The hundreds, tens and 1 digits should appear one below the other. We will see one example now. Now see the example. There are two numbers. The first number is 758, which is a 3-digit number, and the other number is 566. This is also a 3-digit number. Now we are going to do the subtraction. Okay. Now see the first number 758. This is a greater number, and 566, it is a smaller number. So always we have to subtract a smaller number from the greater number. See here, look at the board. Here at ones place, here 8 is there and here 6 is there. So what we have to do? We have to subtract 6 from the 8. 8 is greater than 6. So always we have to subtract smaller number from the greater number. So 8 minus 6 we have to do. For that, which one is the second number? Second number is 6. So after 6, you have to count your finger till 8. Okay. After 6, you have to count your fingers till 8. 6. After 6, 7, 8. So how many? 2. So we will write here 2. See the tens place digit. Here at tens place, 5 and 6. These two numbers are there. 5 and 6. Now here 5 is smaller than 6. So here 5 minus 6 we can't do. Okay. So for that, what we have to do? Just we have to cut this 5 and write the 5 as it is here. And then we'll go to the neighbors. Now see the neighbor. Who is the neighbor of tens? 100 is the neighbor of tens. So what we have to do? We have to take one borrow from its neighbor. Now neighbor is having 7. Okay, neighbor is having 7. So neighbor will give 1 to the tens place. So if we will give 1 from 7, 7 minus 1, 6. So we have to cut 7 and we will write here 6 and 1 we will give as a borrow. Now see the number is 15 at tens place. Now do the subtraction. 15 minus 6. Now 15 is greater than 6. So after 6 till 15 you have to count your fingers. Now count the fingers after 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many? 9. So we will write here 9. Now see the hundreds place digit. Here at 100 place 6 is there and here 5 is there. So 6 minus 5 easily we can do because 6 is greater than 5. So after 5 you have to count your fingers till 6. After 5, 5, 6. Only 1. So we will write here 1. So in this way we can subtract a smaller number from the greater number. Now we will solve the recall exercise. Open your textbook, page number 34. Open your textbook and keep in front of you. One by one we will solve the sums. Recall exercise. See the first one. First example. In the first example, what two numbers you can see? The first number is 368 and the other number is 184. 368, it is a 3-digit number, and 184, this is also a 3-digit number. 368 is greater than 184. So we will subtract 184 from 368. First of all, we will write the places. This is ones place, tens place and hundreds place. See the ones place numbers. At ones place, here 8 is there and here 4 is there. So what we have to do? 8 minus 4 we have to do. For that, you have to count your finger after 4 till 8. Okay, so now count your fingers after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 minus 4, 4. Okay, now see the tens place. Here 6 and here 8 is there. Now see carefully, 6 is smaller than 8. So we can't subtract, or we can't do the subtraction. 6 minus 8 we can't do. Why? Because 6 is smaller than 8. So what we will do now? We will go to the neighbors. Okay, now who is neighbor of tens? 100 is neighbor of tens. Now see, the neighbor is having 3. So now neighbor will give 1. So we will cut to the 3 and 6. Now neighbor will give 1. So tens, this 6 will become 16. Now here 3 minus 1, 2. Now do the subtraction at tens place. See the tens place. 16 minus 8. Now after 8 you have to count your fingers till 16. So count your fingers after 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 minus 8, 8. See the hundreds place digit now here. Here 2 minus 1. Very easy. 2 minus 1. After 1 you have to count fingers till 2. 2 minus 1, 1. So what will be the answer? The answer is 184. Now see the third one. We will see the third one now. Here 591, this is also a 3-digit number, and the another number is 390. This is also a 3-digit number. First of all, we will write their places, ones, tens and hundreds. See the ones place digits. Here 1 is there and here 0 is there. 1 is greater than 0, so we can do the subtraction. 1 minus 0, 1. Okay, see, 1 minus 0, 1. So here 1 will come. See the tens place now. Here 9 is there, here also 9 is there. Now show your 9 fingers. Okay, from that 9 finger subtract or cut all the 9 fingers. So 9 minus 9, 0. If we will subtract any number from that number itself, then we will get the answer 0. This is one of the property. Okay, so 9 minus 9, 0. See the hundreds place number now here. At hundreds place 5 is there and 3 is there. Okay, so 5 minus 3. See the second number is 3. After 3 you have to count your fingers till 5. What you have to do? After 3 you have to count your fingers till 5. So count your fingers after 3, 4, 5. How many? 2. So I will write here 2. So what will be the answer? The answer is 201. Okay. See the fifth one now. In fifth example, the number is, first number is 929. This is also a 3-digit number. Okay. And the another number is 465. This is also 3-digit number. So first of all, we will write the places, ones, tens and hundreds. See the ones place digit. Here 9 is there and here 5 is there. 9 minus 5 we have to do. So for that, after 5 you have to count your fingers till 9. Okay. So count your fingers after 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. How many? 4. So 9 minus 5. Yes, 4. Okay. Now see the tens place digit. At tens place here 2 is there and here 6 is there. 2 minus 6 we can't do. Why we can't do 2 minus 6? Because 2 is smaller than 6. So 2 minus 6 it is not possible. Then what we will do? Yes, we will move to the neighbors place. Okay, we will go to the neighbors. Now neighbor is having 9. Neighbor is having 9. So what we will do? We will cut these 2 and first of all we will write these 2 as it is. Then as neighbor is having 9, so neighbor will give 1 to the tens place. So here we will write 1. Now 9 minus 1, here 8. So here 8 is remaining. Okay. Now see the tens place. Here at tens place 12 minus 6. 12 minus 6. Now what you will do? You will count the fingers after 6 till 12. So count your fingers after 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many? 6. So 12 minus 6, 6. Okay. See the hundreds place now. Here 8 is there and here 4 is there. 8 is greater than 4. So do the subtraction. 8 minus 4. What you will do now? Here 4 is there. So after 4 you have to count fingers till 8. So count your fingers after 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 minus 4, 4. Correct. So 929 minus 465 is equal to what? 464. Okay. Now we'll see the next 7th example. Okay. All odd number sums we will take now. See, the first number is 681. 681, this is also a 3-digit number, and the another number is 179. This is also a 3-digit number. So first of all we will write their places. This is ones place, this is tens, and this is hundreds place. Okay. See the ones place digit. Here 1 is there and here 9 is there. 1 minus 9. 1 minus 9 we can't do. Why? Because 1 is smaller than 9. So what we will do? Yes, we will go to the neighbors. Now who is neighbor of ones? 10's place is neighbor of ones. Now what we will do? We will take one borrow from the neighbor. Now neighbor is having, yes, neighbor is having 8. So take one borrow from the neighbor. First of all we will cut this one and we will write this one as it is. Okay, here. Now we will take one borrow from the neighbor. Now neighbor is having 8. So he will give 1. So here 1 we will write 1. Now 8 minus 1, we will cut this 8. 8 minus 1, 7. Okay. Now do the subtraction. 11 at 1's place. Now here 11 is there and here 9 is there. So 11 minus 9. After 9 count your fingers till 11. After 9, 10, 10, 11. How many? 2. So 11 minus 9, 2. Now see the tens place. At tens place, here 7 is there and here also 7 is there. So 7 minus 7. 7 minus 7, 0. See the hundreds place now. 6 minus 1. Now after 1, count your fingers till 6. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 minus 1, 5. So what will be the answer? The answer is 502. Okay. Then we will see the 9th one. See the number. First number is 456, which is a 3-digit number. The other is 178. This is also a 3-digit number. So what we will do? We will write first the places, ones, tens and 100. See the ones place digit. Here 6 is there, here 8 is there. 6 minus 8, can we do? No, we can't do. 6 minus 8 we can't do. Why? Because 6 is smaller than 8 and we can't subtract a greater number from the smaller number. So 6 minus 8 we can't do. Then what we will do? Yes, we will go to the neighbors. Now who is neighbor of ones? Tens place is neighbor of ones. Okay. So what we will do? We will just cut this 6 and we will write this 6 as it is here. Okay. Now we will take one borrow from the neighbor. Now neighbor is having 5. Neighbor is having 5. So this neighbor will give 1. So here 16 will become. So 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1, 4. So here 4 will remain. Okay. Now do the subtraction. See the ones place digit. Now here 16 is there and here 8 is there. So 16 minus 8 we have to do now. So after 8, count your fingers till 16. After 8, count your fingers till 16. Count your fingers 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 minus 8, yes, 16 minus 8, 8. Okay. See the tens place now. Here 4 is there, here 7 is there. Again this is a smaller and this is a bigger. Okay, 4 is smaller than 7. So here also we can't do the subtraction. 4 minus 7 we can't do. Then what we will do? Yes, we will go to the neighbor. Now who is neighbor of tens place? 100 is neighbor of tens place. So what we will do? Just we will cut this 4 and we will write here 4 as it is. Okay, and now here neighbor is having 4. So we will take one borrow from this neighbor. So 4 he will give one borrow to the tens place. So 4 minus 1, just we will cut this 4. 4 minus 1, 3. So here we will write 3. Okay. Now see the tens place. Here 14 is there, here 7 is there. So 14 minus 7 we have to do. Okay. So after 7 count your fingers till 14. After 7 count your fingers 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 minus 7, how many? 7. Correct. Now we will move to the hundreds place. See the hundreds place. Here 3 is there, here 1 is there. 3 minus 1. After 1 count your fingers till 3. Yes, 2, 3. So 3 minus 1, 2. So 456 minus 178 is equal to 278. Okay. Now we will see the 11th example. See the 11th one. First number is 610. This is a 3-digit number, and the other number is also 3-digit number, 378. 610 minus 378. First of all, write their places. Ones, this is tens place and this is hundreds place. See the ones place. Here 0 is there and here 8 is there. 0 minus 8 we can't do. Why? Because 0 is smaller than 8. So what we will do? Just we will cut this 0 and we will write here 0 as it is. And then we will go to the neighbors. Okay. Now who is neighbor of ones? Tens is neighbor of ones. Now neighbor is having only 1. So what we will do? We will take one borrow from this neighbor. So here this 0 will become 10. Now 1 minus 1, 0. Okay. Now neighbor is remain only 0. See the ones place now. Here 10 and here 8 is there. 10 minus 8 you have to do. So after 8 count your fingers till 10. After 8, 9, 10. So 10 minus 8, 2. Okay. Now see the tens place. Here 0 is there, here 7 is there. Again 0 minus 7 we can't do. Why? Because again 0 is smaller than 7. So what we will do? Just we will cut this 0 and we will write here 0 as it is, and then we will go to the neighbor. Now who is neighbor of tens? 100 is neighbor of tens. So now neighbor is having 6. So we will take one borrow from the neighbor. So here at tens place 0 will become 10. Now 6 minus 1, 6 minus 1, 5. Okay. Now see the tens place. Here 10 is there and here 7 is there. So 10 minus 7. Yes. After 7 count your fingers till 10, 8, 9, 10. So 10 minus 7, 3. Okay. Now see the hundreds place. Here at hundreds place 5 is there and here 3 is there. 5 minus 3 you have to do. So after 3 count your fingers till 5. After 3, 4, 5. How many? 2. So 5 minus 3, 2. So what will be the answer? 610 minus 378 is equal to 232. So in this way we have completed recall exercise. See students, today we have solved only the odd numbers and remaining even number sums you have to solve by your own. Now see the next page. Here now we are going to start the subtraction of 4-digit numbers without regrouping. Okay. We will see the first example. See, the subtraction of 4-digit numbers. And the numbers are: subtract 7638 from 9879. Okay. Now see students, you have to see carefully these two numbers. Okay. What is the question? Subtract 7638 from 9879. See these two numbers carefully. Both are 4-digit numbers. But see which number is greater? This 9879 is greater than this number 7638. So first of all, we will put this number in the place value chart. Here place value chart you can see 1000, 100, tens and ones. This number is greater. 9879 is greater than 7638. So first of all, we will write this number 9879. Okay. Then which one is the second number? 7638. So first of all, we will write the given numbers in the place value chart. Then what is the first step? The first step is subtract the ones. That is, we have to start from the ones place. Now here 9 ones minus 8 ones. Now 9 minus 8 we have to do. Okay. 9 minus 8. So after 8 you have to count your fingers till 9. So after 8 count your fingers 9. Only 1. So 9 minus 8 1. Okay. So 9 minus 8 1. So here what is the first step? Subtract the ones. We should start from the ones place. Always we should start from the ones place. Okay. So 9 ones. Here 9 ones and here 8 ones are there. So 9 ones minus 8 ones. Then if we will do the subtraction, 9 minus 8, we will get 1 1. So at ones place we will write here 1. Okay. Then in step 2 we will move to the tens place. Now see the tens place. Here 7 tens and here 3 tens are there. So 7 tens minus 3 tens. If we will do the subtraction, 7 minus 3, after 3 you have to count your fingers till 7. So count your fingers 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many tens? 7 tens minus 3 tens is equal to 4 tens. So we will write 4 in the tens column. Okay. Now we will move to the hundreds place. Step 3. This is our step 3 now. Subtract the hundreds now. See here how many hundreds are there in the first number? In the first number there are 8 hundreds. Okay. And in second number, in another number there are 6 hundreds. So 8 hundreds minus 6 hundreds is equal to. Now after 6 you have to count your fingers till 8. So after 6, 7, 8. How many hundreds will remain? 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. So we will write 2 in the hundreds column. Okay. Now what is the next step? The next step is we will move to the thousands place. Now at thousands place, in the first number there are 9,000 and in another number there are 7,000. So 9,000 minus 7,000 is equal to. After 7 count your fingers till 9. So after 7, 8, 9. So 9 minus 2 is equal to what? 2. So we will write 2 in the thousands column. So 9,879 minus 7,638. What will be the answer? The answer is 2,241. So in this way we can subtract 4-digit numbers. We can do the subtraction of 4-digit numbers. Now students, turn the page. We will solve the exercise 3.1. Open your textbook. Along with me you have to solve all the sums. Okay. Now see the first one. The first is, see in the exercise 3.1 there are total 20 sums in the question number 1. Okay. From that 20 sums we will take only odd number sum. So what is the first one? The first number is 9,348 minus 5,320. Okay. See the now ones place. Here 8 is there, here 0 is there. 8 ones minus 0 ones. 8 minus 0, 8. See the tens place now. Here 4 tens minus 2 tens. 4 minus 2. After 2 count your fingers till 4. 3, 3, 4. Okay, so 4 minus 2, 2. See the hundreds place. 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3, 0. And the thousands place. Here 9,000 minus 5,000. 9 minus 5. After 5 count your fingers till 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 minus 5, 4. So what will be the answer? The answer is 4028. Now see the third one. In third example, the first number is 7576, which is a 4-digit number, and the another number is 2350. This is also a 4-digit number. See the ones place column. Here 6 is there and here 0 is there. So 6 minus 0, 6. 6 minus 0, 6. Okay. Now see the tens place column. At tens place, here 7 is there and here 5 is there. So 7 tens minus 5 tens. So after 5 you have to count your fingers till 7. 6, 7. So 7 minus 5, 2. Now we'll move to the hundreds place. Here 500 minus 300. So 5 minus 3. For that what we have to do? We have to count our fingers after 3 till 5. Okay, so now count your fingers. After 3, 4, 5. So 5 minus 3, 2. See the thousands place digit. Here at thousands place, here 7 is there, here 2 is there. Okay. So 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 you have to do. For that, after 2, count your fingers till 7 will come. Okay. So count your fingers after 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7,000 minus 2,000 is equal to what? 5,000. So at thousands place we will write 5. Okay. Now we'll move to the next, fifth one. See the fifth one. Here first of all we will put their places. This is ones place, this is tens, this is hundreds, and this is thousands place. Now start from the ones place. Always we should start from the ones place. Now here at ones place, here 9 is there, here also 9 is there. So 9 ones minus 9 ones. 9 minus 9. 9 minus 9, 0. Okay. Now see the tens place column. In the first number, how many tens are there? 6 tens, and in another number there are 5 tens. So 6 tens minus 5 tens. 6 minus 5. After 5, count your fingers till 6. After 5, 6. Only 1. 6 minus 1, 1. Sorry, 6 minus 5, 1. See the hundreds place column now. Here in the first number there are 5 hundreds, and in another number there are 4 hundreds. So 500 minus 400. 5 minus 4, 1. We'll see the thousands place now. Here in the first number there are 7,000, and in another number there are 3,000. So 7,000 minus 3,000. After 3, count your fingers till 7. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 minus 3, 4. So what will be the answer? The answer is 4,110. This will be the answer. Okay. Now students, today we have started exercise 3.1, and from that we have seen the first 5 sums. Remaining sums we will solve in our next session. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.